Can you explain your day in English in 1 minute? If not, stay with us. By the end, you will.
We'll teach the most useful daily routine verbs with slow, clear examples and quick practice.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Time. I'm Jim.
And I'm Anna. Today's topic is daily routine in easy American English.
If you enjoy practical English, subscribe and hit like.
And comment one thing you do every morning. Just one sentence.
Anna, what does daily routine mean?
It's what you usually do every day, your habits and schedule.
So we often use the present simple. I wake up, I go, I eat.
Exactly. And we add frequency words. Always, usually, sometimes, never. Jim, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Everyone, repeat, I usually wake up at 6:30.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Great. After you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I get out of bed.
Repeat, I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Do you make your bed?
I make my bed. Most days. My bed deserves respect.
Nice. Repeat, I make my bed.
I make my bed.
Then what?
Then I go to the bathroom and I brush my teeth.
Repeat, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Do you wash your face too?
Yes, I wash my face with cold water.
Repeat, I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Cold water really wakes you up.
It wakes up my soul.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Usually, yes. I take a shower and then I get dressed.
Repeat, I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Repeat, I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Breakfast time. What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast, and I drink coffee.
Repeat, I have eggs and toast.
I have eggs and toast.
Repeat, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
People also say, I have breakfast or I eat breakfast. Both are natural.
I have breakfast sounds like breakfast is my guest.
Breakfast, please sit down. After breakfast, what's next?
I pack my bag, check my phone for 1 minute, and leave the house.
Check my phone is useful, but 1 minute can become 10.
True. My phone is like just one more scroll.
Repeat, I leave the house.
I leave the house.
Wake up. Get out of bed. Make my bed.
Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Take a shower. Get dressed.
Have breakfast. Pack my bag. Leave the house. How do you get to work?
I usually drive to work.
Repeat, I drive to work.
I drive to work.
How long is your commute?
My commute is about 25 minutes.
Repeat, my commute is about 25 minutes.
My commute is about 25 minutes.
Commute is the trip from home to work.
On the way, I listen to music or a podcast.
Repeat, I listen to a podcast on the way to work.
I listen to a podcast on the way to work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30.
Repeat, I start work at 8:30.
I start work at 8:30.
What do you do first at work?
First, I check my email.
Repeat, I check my email.
I check my email.
Then,
I make a to-do list and start my tasks.
repeat, I make a to-do list.
I make a to-do list.
Great. A to-do list is a list of tasks you need to do.
Sometimes I have a meeting.
Repeat, I have a meeting.
I have a meeting.
People also say, I attend a meeting. Both are common.
Either way, the meeting wins.
True. But we survive. Repeat after me, one sentence at a time. I arrive at work.
I arrive at work.
I say hello to my coworkers.
I say hello to my coworkers.
I check my email.
I check my email.
I work on my tasks.
I work on my tasks.
Great. Coworkers means people you work with. What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch around 12:30.
Repeat, I eat lunch around 12:30.
I eat lunch around 12:30.
Where do you eat?
Sometimes I eat at my desk, but I try to take a break.
Repeat, I take a lunch break.
I take a lunch break.
What do you usually eat?
I usually have a sandwich or a salad.
Repeat, I usually have a sandwich.
I usually have a sandwich.
Repeat, I usually have a salad.
I usually have a salad.
At lunch, you can ask simple questions. Repeat, how's your day going?
How's your day going?
What are you working on?
What are you working on?
Any plans for the weekend?
Any plans for the weekend?
After lunch, what do you do?
I get back to work. I answer messages and finish projects.
Repeat, I get back to work.
I get back to work.
Repeat, I answer messages.
I answer messages.
Repeat, I finish my projects.
I finish my projects.
Do you take breaks in the afternoon?
Yes, I take a short break, stretch, and walk a little.
Repeat, I take a short break.
I take a short break.
Repeat, I stretch.
I stretch.
Repeat, I go for a short walk.
I go for a short walk. Around 3 p.m., I sometimes feel tired.
Very normal. Say, I feel tired in the afternoon.
I feel tired in the afternoon.
Or, I need a quick break.
I need a quick break.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5:30.
Repeat, I finish work at 5:30.
I finish work at 5:30.
Then,
I drive home.
repeat, I drive home.
I drive home.
On the way home, do you do anything?
Sometimes I call a friend, or I just enjoy quiet time.
Repeat, I call a friend.
I call a friend.
When you get home, what do you do first?
I take off my shoes, wash my hands, and relax.
Repeat, I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
Repeat, I relax.
I relax.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes I cook, and sometimes I order food.
Repeat, I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
Repeat, I order food.
I order food.
What's your easy dinner?
Pasta. Fast, simple, and I feel like a chef.
Repeat, I eat dinner around 7.
I eat dinner around 7.
After dinner, what do you usually do?
I clean up the kitchen, and then I do something fun.
Repeat, I clean up the kitchen.
I clean up the kitchen.
What's fun for you?
I watch a show, read a little, or go for a walk.
Repeat, I watch a show.
I watch a show.
Repeat, I read a little.
I read a little.
Repeat, I go for a walk.
I go for a walk.
Do you go to the gym?
Sometimes, I go to the gym twice a week.
Repeat, I go to the gym.
I go to the gym.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11.
Repeat, I go to bed around 11.
I go to bed around 11.
Before bed, what do you do?
I brush my teeth, set my alarm, and try not to scroll on my phone.
Repeat, I set my alarm.
I set my alarm.
2 helpful phrases. I fall asleep quickly.
I fall asleep quickly.
I have trouble falling asleep.
I have trouble falling asleep. Jim, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6. I drink water, then I stretch for 5 minutes.
Repeat, I drink water.
I drink water.
Repeat, I stretch for 5 minutes.
I stretch for 5 minutes.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do a short workout 3 times a week.
Repeat, I do a short workout.
I do a short workout. For breakfast, I usually have yogurt and fruit, and I drink tea.
Tea is classy. Coffee is chaotic.
Correct.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway, and I read on the train.
Repeat, I take the subway.
I take the subway.
Repeat, I read on the train.
I read on the train.
What do you do first at work?
I check my calendar and plan my day.
Repeat, I plan my day.
I plan my day. I always take a real lunch break. I step away from my desk.
I step away from my desk.
I step away from my desk. In the evening, I cook simple meals and tidy up.
I cook when the stars align.
You cook when the delivery app is tired.
True.
I go to bed at 10:30.
I go to bed at 10:30.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Part 10 Q&A drill. I'll ask, you answer with short sentences. Ready?
Ready.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
What do you do in the morning?
I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and take a shower.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast. How do you get to work?
I drive to work.
What do you do after work?
I drive home, relax, and eat dinner.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and set my alarm.
Now I ask you, Anna.
Okay. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What do you do before work?
I drink water, stretch, and get ready.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner, tidy up, and read a little. Let's practice always, usually, sometimes, never.
Repeat these examples.
I always brush my teeth.
I usually drink coffee.
I sometimes take the bus.
I never skip breakfast.
Great. The frequency word usually goes before the main verb. I usually wake up.
Sometimes the day goes wrong.
Yes. Repeat these real phrases.
I overslept.
I'm running late.
Traffic is terrible.
I need to hurry.
I'm exhausted.
I'm worn out.
These phrases save you in real life.
Daily routines are not only work, we also do chores at home.
Chores are small jobs you do to keep your home clean and running.
Let's learn a few common ones. Repeat after us.
I do the dishes.
I do the dishes.
Do the dishes means wash the plates, cups, and forks after eating.
Repeat. I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash means put the garbage outside or in the bin.
Repeat. I do laundry.
I do laundry.
Do laundry means wash and dry your clothes.
Repeat. I clean the house.
I clean the house.
Repeat. I go grocery shopping.
I go grocery shopping.
Great. Now make them natural with frequency words.
I usually do the dishes after dinner.
I sometimes take out the trash at night.
I usually do laundry on Saturday.
I never forget grocery shopping because I get hungry. Let's do a short role play. Listener, imagine you are Jim's friend. Listen for useful phrases. Jim, Scene 1, Morning Disaster.
Oh no, I overslept.
What time is it?
It's 7:45. I'm running late.
Okay, breathe. What do you do first?
I jump out of bed, brush my teeth fast, and get dressed fast.
Do you have time for breakfast?
Not really. I grab a banana and drink water.
Great phrase. I grab a banana. Grab means take quickly.
I grab my keys, pack my bag, and leave the house.
How do you get to work?
I drive to work, but traffic is terrible.
Say it. Traffic is terrible.
Traffic is terrible.
What do you say to your boss or coworker?
I say, sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there soon.
Perfect. Simple and polite. Scene 2. At work.
I arrive at work at 9:05.
How do you feel?
I feel stressed, but I make a quick to-do list.
Nice. What's your first task?
I check my email and answer urgent messages.
And meetings?
I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I take notes and ask one question.
Great habit. I take notes. Repeat, listener. I take notes.
I take notes.
Scene 3. Evening recovery.
After work, I drive home and relax.
Do you cook dinner or order food?
Today, I order food. I'm exhausted.
Understandable. After dinner?
I do the dishes, take a shower, and watch a show.
Then bedtime?
I set my alarm early, put my phone away, and go to bed.
Nice ending. Listener, now you try. Say your bad morning story in 3 sentences. Now we guide you. Say the sentence out loud and change the blank.
Jim. Sentence 1. I usually wake up at.
Sentence 2. First, I.
Jim. Sentence 3. Then I.
Sentence 4. For breakfast, I usually have.
Jim.
Sentence 5. I go to work by
Sentence 6. At work, I.
gym. Sentence 7. I eat lunch around
Sentence 8. After work, I.
gym. Sentence 9. In the evening, I.
Sentence 10. I go to bed at.
Great. If you can say these 10 sentences, you can talk about your daily routine.
Quick weekend English. Weekends are often different. Jim.
On weekends, I sleep in a little.
Sleep in means wake up later than usual. Jim.
I do chores, meet friends, or watch a movie.
I go for a long walk, cook something fun, and read. Repeat 2 weekend sentences. I usually sleep in on Saturday.
I usually do laundry on Sunday.
Perfect. Now you, say 1 weekend sentence. Listener, repeat after Jim. Keep it slow and clear.
I usually wake up at 6:30. I get out of bed and make my bed. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I get dressed and have breakfast. Then I leave the house and drive to work. I start work at 8:30. I check my email and work on my tasks. I eat lunch around 12:30. I finish work at 5:30. I drive home, eat dinner, and relax. I go to bed around 11.
Great. Now repeat after me, Anna style. I wake up at 6. I drink water and stretch. I do a short workout 3 times a week. I have yogurt and fruit for breakfast. I take the subway and read on the train. At work, I plan my day and take a real lunch break. In the evening, I cook dinner, tidy up, and read. I go to bed at 10:30.
Final review. Say these verbs with us.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Make the bed.
Brush teeth.
Wash face.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Have breakfast.
Leave the house.
Drive to work.
Take the subway.
Start work.
Check email.
Work on tasks.
Have a meeting.
Eat lunch.
Take a break.
Finish work.
Drive home.
Cook dinner.
Order food.
Clean up.
Watch a show.
Read.
Set an alarm.
Go to bed.
Fall asleep.
Homework. Write 5 sentences about your routine.
Use at least 2 frequency words. Always, usually, sometimes, never.
Then record yourself talking for 30 seconds, morning to night.
Comment 1 sentence under this episode. Like, I usually wake up at 7.
Subscribe for more easy English conversations.
See you next time.
Bye.